Well, welcome back, everybody. Now, I am trying out a lav mic. I'm in the settings, I'm in the camera. I can't adjust the audio levels, but I adjusted on the microphone, the wireless system I'm using, which I'll get into another day. I adjusted it to the lowest setting, so we'll see if this balances it out. So if the audio is horrible, I apologize. I might be clipping slightly. Looking at the monitor here, it seems like I'm just on the cusp of being an issue. So I apologize if we have any clipping, or see right there when I said clipping, it peaks in the red. So I apologize. I will fine tune this. This is the first time I'm using this system. I may have to get into the manual settings and getting a little more crafty, but we shall see. We'll see how this works. Let me know. Finishing up the ice cream. I got like maybe enough for one more pipe for that. So in any case, so today was a pretty good day. It was steamy, muggy, humid, because we have Tropical Storm Faye, I believe it was, that came by. Was supposed to rain, didn't rain, and that was kind of annoying, to be honest. So, and I am clipping a little bit, so I apologize again. I'll try to talk a little softer. Maybe that's better for all of us. I don't know. But so yeah, the storm was supposed to come in yesterday, and it did not. It was cloudy or whatever. It was dreary, but then this afternoon it cleared up, and went swimming most of the day. I went swimming at night. Not that you guys want to hear this, but that was my day, to be honest. And then tonight, before I came out to the shed, I just happened to look out the window because I was like, you know what? I haven't seen the rabbits in a while. And sure enough, there you go. Boom. I saw the rabbit in the spot where she was with the babies, supposedly. And I'm saying to myself, wait, what is going on here? So I rushed out and, oops. Sorry, my watch. Forgot to take off the swimmer's mode. So I went out, tried to scare her away, and thinking there's no babies, and sure enough, she runs away, but there's like 5 little babies. I'm like, oh man. I'm like, are you kidding me? I guess she buried them, and I didn't realize they buried. I'm thinking there's like a nest, like a burrow, and I must have, I don't know, but they were there. I didn't see them the last few days, but apparently they were there and didn't know it. But it's funny because I took the dog, and the dog walked around and was sniffing over there. So that's interesting. Interesting stuff. So Michael's Wild Animal Kingdom continues to expand, I guess you will. Crazy stuff. I'm learning all sorts of things about rabbits. Nothing too deep tonight. Just kind of story time, testing out the mics, seeing what you guys think of this setup and whatnot. So we'll see. I'm talking a little softer. I did clip a little bit there, but so we'll fine tune this, right? This is early on in the channel. I'll get better. Pretty good. I did get a new book. One of the books. Whoa, that would have sucked, huh? Phew, forgot about that. But in any case, this one I got, Philosophy and Whiskey. Now, I don't expect this to be. I find these kind of philosophy and whatever books interesting. I'm gonna have to get like a bookend or something because that's Stormtrooper isn't gonna cut it there. But yeah, so I like those books. One of my favorite was Star Wars and Philosophy. It's one of my favorite philosophy pop culture type books. I find them interesting, unique. I don't think they're really in depth, but I think they're pretty good. The beauty is they're kind of like a gateway into deeper thinking and philosophy for the masses, which it worked on me way back in the day. So we'll see. I like whiskey and and philosophy, so we'll see. Man, that's clipping, and I feel bad. Guess we'll have to go in manual mode next time. What else? So yeah, I got that just for some reading. I started the political book the other day. I haven't been able to jump right back in it yet, which sucks. I am going to do that after I leave here, though. I will start reading a little bit more, which is why it's not on the shelf. It's actually in the house. So hopefully you're picking up the Zippo sound and whatnot. I don't know if I'll open the door for a little bit. See if you can hear any of well, it seems like you can pick up a little. I think you can pick up a little, but it's a nice breeze. I kind of wish I had the door open, but I'll keep it quiet. Still got to work on the lighting situation. Haven't figured that out. Although this harsh lighting, for being a shed light, it's not that bad considering. But I gotta admit, I do like the audio, this setup. Now I just gotta fine tune it so I'm not clipping and sounding too loud or distorted or any way. But I do like, this will come in handy when I take the camera to vlog. I haven't done that yet, but I plan on doing that. Just haven't had time to do that yet. But that'll come at some point. I don't know when, but at some point you can look for that. Got a little bit of burn on the old arms today. Not too bad. Feeling the sting a little bit, but I was in the pool, so it wasn't as harsh. Although I'll probably feel it trying to sleep tonight. I don't know. Do I want a little thing of, you know what? I should be in the whiskey meeting tonight, but I'm taking a break from a lot of network stuff. So they had a whiskey meeting tonight, and I might join it, I might not after this, but probably not, because they started already without me. So, I'll do this Star Wars shot glass here with the Stormtrooper. Just a little. There we go. Just a little bit. Just enough to make me smile, if you will. Be careful, the whiskey might fall. So, cheers to you. Pretty good. Pretty good. You know, for this whiskey, I think I mentioned it on one of the videos. Is I left this out here since I don't know when I left it out here. It's been since the winter. I would say had to be January, probably the first of the year, around then, because I got this from my boss for Christmas, and I bought the monkey shoulder, so that had to be. I probably put this in here mid-January, and it's been in the shed through the winter, spring, and now the summer, and the whiskey is holding up. I'll tell you that. It doesn't taste like I missed anything. Someone asked me the other day at work, "You leave that out there all the time?" I'm like, "Yeah, not. I don't typically leave it long. Like the Screwball is another one. I've left. This has been here since October. This one here, the Screwball. I've left this in here. Now this is way too sweet. I'm curious. I want to leave. This is like an experiment. I can see some stuff floating on the bottom, so this is probably broken down and probably not going to taste so good. So I'll probably get rid of that soon. Let's check this one. No, that's still good. So that shouldn't be a problem. Most of them seem to hold up, but they're not in here long. Like typically, I'll start a bottle like this Thomas 2 rum, which I will do some point, probably next weekend. So you can see I had quite a bit, and I'll have a little bit more. It's like I'll finish the bottle in here. Whoops! Within time. Oops! The wax came off. Within the time that it should take to finish a bottle that you're gonna leave in a shed. But that's kind of these two are like my science experiments, I guess you could say. I know you shouldn't store your whiskey in a shed through winter, spring, and summer. The thing is, if like I like Elijah Craig is my favorite whiskey, the small batch. Like I'll buy that. I'll have one in the shed and I'll have one there. I don't have one currently, actually, but I'll have one in the house. The good one, and then I'll have one out, just leave in here for like, what the hell? It's my favorite whiskey. It's probably going to be drunk within the time frame where it's not going to go too bad, at least. That's my theory anyway. Some whiskey expert will probably tell me I'm completely cuckoo, which I probably am, quite honestly. So I don't know. What do you guys think for audio wise? Do you think the lav like this is better, or do you think the Dead Cat with the internal mics of the camera are pretty good? Actually, they're efficient enough, I think, for what I do here. Not too bad. This I think is more of a. It depends. So I'm gonna switch between the two. I can tell you that, like, because I think the audio with that is fairly good for just setting it up and go. It does its job pretty well. It's not the greatest audio. As a podcaster, I can tell you that. And listening to this tonight, because I keep looking at the monitor, it's not going to be the way that it's peaking. It's not going to be. It's just a scooch too much, I think. But we'll see when I get back and listen. See, so when I go high like that, it just peaks at that level. But in any case, we'll find out. And whatnot. So, but I'm excited to have it. So, when I finally do my vlog on the Super 73, this will be good because I can be behind the camera and you can hear me as I talk about it, and this can be in front doing their thing, and it'll be good. I was going to do a coffee chat, but I got to be honest, I wanted the extra sleep today. It was nice. I got 7 hours, and probably get 6 this time because I want to come out in tomorrow morning and do this. So we'll have a chat, coffee chat. Well, anyway, this is kind of a mic test, first test, see how this would do. So hopefully it's good. It's good enough for now. And we'll check out as we go. I'll fine tune it and stuff. So in any case, that's what that was. This is why I didn't do anything philosophy wise or anything too serious. It's just a goofy video of me talking about the camera and my stupid day and what I did. So nothing major. That's all. I think that's gonna do it for this boring video. I'm going to have my whiskey and finish my pipe, and then go read and go to bed, I think. And then I will see you guys in the morning for a coffee chat. So, one last time, we'll do this. Cheers. And I'll see you in the morning.